Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a Leslie 122 amplifier on my table here, and it's a nice one from M&S Oregon. Paul up in M&S up in Chicago built this. But I had a problem with this particular amplifier. I had a short in the 12AU7 socket here. So, in other words, it would short out when I'd be playing, and it would lose power and sound staticky. So, and what I've done is something that Brother Steve Santee showed me back in the day. And here's what I did. I simply went go to the sockets here and took some solder and just went all around to each pin. So I just resoldered each joint. And so what I'm thinking is that I had a cold solder joint, one of those, and I when I went into this and got into it, I saw that which one was it? I think it may have been this one. This particular one right here was loose. That was loose. So it's tight now, and but as you can see, I mean, this is excellent workmanship by Paul and M&S, and this Leslie amplifier sounds beautiful. It's wonderful. So let me go back here and put it back into my Leslie cabinet. This is my personal amplifier that I have in my Leslie in my living room, and so I'm gonna go and put my tongue sole 6550 tubes back in it. Black plate with no holes, audio tubes is what I use in this, and man, this thing is gonna blast. It should be ready now with that 12AU7 socket repaired. So until the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.